about artboards, all about artboards. What do we do and what is it and why do we need artboards? The rectangle you are seeing and on the screen is called an artboard. It's like a canvas where you need to draw, and if you draw outside or illustrate outside this artboard or canvas, it will not be included in your file. So let's see how do we make an artboard. For that, the shortcut keyboard is shortcut on keyboard is Shift O, and on this toolbar we can also see that there is an artboard icon here, and it's showing me that press Shift O or just press this. So let's see if I press Shift O what happens. See, this is called artboard 1, and it has showed me that I have pressed the Shift O. Now if I need to make another artboard, my Shift O is already pressed. I can make of any size the artboard. See, like this, a small rectangle I can make, a big square I can make. It's all about artboards. So the thing is, why do we need our artboards? We can make multiple pages, we can make multiple documents, we can make multiple illustrations on it. Now we will see how, okay, now if we press the selection tool, this tool, it will remove the back action, and see my all artboards which I draw, it's all here. At one time only one artboard can be selected. Like see, if I have selected this border is dark. If I select this border is dark. So these are unselected. Now we will see how can we duplicate and delete artboards. On this left side, I told you that there is an artboard tool icon. On the mini toolbar on this side, I can also bring artboard list. Right now I have 4 artboards on my screen. So I will go to Window, Artboards. To see, I have total 4 artboards, and it can show me here artboard 1, artboard 2, artboard 3, and artboard 4. Now I have to tell you how can I delete and duplicate. So before that, I want to just let's bring an element here I drew before. Let's take this by Control C or Command C. I'll bring here. I drew this, painted this, and brought into the Illustrator. I will show how I did. If I have brought this here, and I know this is a canvas, I should not be putting this icon, putting this element outside of my artboard, but I just want to show you that how to duplicate it. Okay, this is on artboard. If I don't know that which artboard I'm using, so what I'll do, I'll just select this. Look, this is artboard 3, this is artboard 1. So look, it's selected here. If I want to make a copy and put it on artboard 4, let's see what happens. No, it doesn't happening anything. If I will go here and I want to make artboard 5, see what happens. See, it has made another artboard for me with the exact proportion of the artwork there. If I want to delete it, here's simple a bin or trash can. I'll just drag and put it here. The artwork is still there, but the artboard is deleted. Okay, so let's delete that. Now, if you want to see how should I save this artboard, let's bring another element also. Control C. If I want to put it here, if I want my canvas Now let's see if I save it. How will I save it? Okay, these artboards are just for telling you how to make artboard. So I'm just deleting these, okay? So that you don't get confused. Right now we are just concentrating on this artboard. I can zoom out for you, zoom in, sorry. And now I can save, file, export. Let's do save for web. Let's do go on fit on screen and see. You can be able to see only the artwork which is on the artboard, on the canvas. You cannot see the artwork which is like outside of the artboard. Okay, so if you want to save for your website or if you want to save for any clip art, you can save here as JPEG or PNG. I can show you that also. Let's save. Testing artboards. Let's save in the documents. And let me check my documents. Is it here or no? See it's here. How is it saved? It's saved. Why is this gray behind? Because I saved without, like with transparency. It has no background behind. Okay, if I give a background behind with any color, if I would like any color, let's see, take any color. I will show you later how to draw this rectangle, how to make a background. I'm just showing you how to look. Now it will be saved with my gray background. See, here it is. And look, this was transparency checked there. Let's see how it will save my save. Let's check how will it show me. Look, this is the gray background. You can also save the elements without the background also and with the background also. I have shown you the both ways. Now we will see how to convert a shape, any shape like rectangle. For that we can press a keyboard shortcut M, and you can take from this toolbar also. If I draw this square, I can convert into an artboard. So I'll go to object, artboards, and then convert to artboards. See, it has converted it. If I want another shape, this shape, if I want to make a mobile wallpaper, this much is size, I think. It's just a random size. So I can convert it into artboards, object, artboards, and convert to artboards. See, it's so easy to make these kind of artboards. Okay, so for today we have learned how to make artboards, how to duplicate it, how to delete it. See, artboard 1 is here, artboard 1 is here, artboard 5, it has named. We can name the artboard also, I think. Let me see. Yeah, we can name it also. If I want to say that this is test artboard, and this artboard I can name it element artboard. So it's easy to distinguish and differentiate between the artboards. It's my mobile. Okay, so here it is. Next time I will show you another tool on the Adobe Illustrator. Hope you have enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like on my video. See you next time.